Hi, this is Ann with SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to get 40 free listings for an Etsy shop. And this only applies to new shops. So you can't have had an old Etsy shop or ever have sold on Etsy before. So to get your 40 free listings, all you have to do is go down to my description below, and there will be a link there that says something like, get 40 free listings for your Etsy shop. And then just click on that and sign up for a new shop. Now, once you do that, two really awesome things are going to happen. You'll get your 40 free listings, and I will also get 40 free listings for my Etsy shop. So it's kind of a win-win situation. Now, I know a lot of people don't like referral links, and yes, this is a referral link, but as far as I know, it's the only way to get 40 free listings for your Etsy shop. Now, once you do that, you're going to see two places where those listings are going to show up. So you'll get an email that tells you about the listings, and they'll also be in the listings section of your dashboard. If you're not seeing the free listings anywhere, it probably means that maybe you had a shop in the past that you forgot about. So now I'm going to head over to Etsy and show you in your shop dashboard where you can see the listings. So once you log into Etsy, you'll go to your shop manager, and that'll bring you to your dashboard. Then come over here to listings. And then in the upper right, you'll see a black button with your free listings on it. There'll just be a number to the right there. There are a few other things to know about your free listings. They don't have an expiration date, so you can really take your time in listing the new products. You can list one today, and then wait 2 weeks, and then list another one, and then wait a year and list another one. You would only use 3 of your 40 free listings. But if you close your shop, you do lose whatever you had left. So once you're ready to list your first item, you hit publish, and then normally you would be charged 20 cents at that point. But instead, it'll pull from your 40 free listings, and you won't have to pay that 20-cent fee. You can use your free listings on new items or renewed items. So if somebody buys that and you have it set up to automatically renew, it'll pull from your free listings instead of charging you. Or if one of your listings expires, if you go to relist it, it'll also pull from your 40 free listings if you have any left. All right, I hope you liked this video, and I wish you the best of luck with your new Etsy shop. If you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Thank you.